So here is the problem number 2. Draw the projection of a 75 long straight line in the following position, inclined at 30 degree to the HP and its one end 20 above it, parallel to and 30 in front of VP. That means, so suppose consider this is a straight line inclined at 30 degree to the HP. So this is 30 degree to the HP and one end is 20 above it. That means it does not touch the horizontal plane. So it is 20 above the horizontal plane like this, and this angle is 30 degree and parallel to and 30 in front of VP. That means this line is parallel to VP and this distance is also 30 So if you see from the top, you cannot get the actual length. This not is actual length, but if you see from the front, you get the actual length. So let's start with the front view because we get the actual length of the front view. For that, first we draw horizontal line, and if you see what angle you can get 30 degree. Okay, and how much distance from the HP? If you see from the front, this much distance you can see. So 20 above it, so you can see this angle 20 above the HP and make angle 30 degree. Okay, so for that we can use 20 above this 20 because you see the front, this distance is 20 so you draw 20 and then you can draw the line. Okay, so we can measure 20 so this angle is 30 degree, so you can draw like this. How much distance? This is 75. This is just 75. Now 30 in front of VP. So when you see the top view, this is 30 So this is 30 when you see the top view. So this distance is 30. So you can make 30 now. So this one and this one is your final option. So this is your 25, sorry 20 mm, and this is your 30 mm. So as because this is your top view and this is your front view, so top view becomes AB and front view A dash B dash. So this is your first problem. And the second problem, inclined and 60 degree to the VP. Inclined at 60 degree to the VP, it's 115 mm in front of, that means this is 15 mm in front of it, and parallel to and 25 mm above the HP. That means now the line is like this. So in this case, we first draw the top view. For that, we draw the reference plane. Now the top view, how can we draw? You see that from vertical plane it is 15 mm. So here it is, this angle is 60 degree and it is 15 mm in front of it. That means when you see the top, so this is 15 mm. So draw 15 mm over here and make the 60 degree angle. Okay. So for that, you draw perpendicular line, make 15 mm and make 60 degree. So this is a 75 mm. So cut 75 mm. So this is 75 mm and draw its projection. Now 25 mm above HP. So 25 mm above HP. That means if you see from the front, so this distance is 25 mm. So this is your front view. So make 25 mm. So this is your front view and this is your top view. Now make the dimension properly. Make the perpendicular line. This is your 75, and this angle becomes 60 degree, and this angle becomes 30 degree, and this is also 75. So I can make mistakes. So this line should be 25 mm. I take 15 mm. So this is wrong from me. So you can correct it. This is 25. I can here I measure 15 mm, but this is actually 25. This should be 25 because this is 25 mm above the HP, and this is 15.